Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
This video shows how to connect GitHub and Leetcode using the updated integration. You need one GitHub account and one Leetcode account to integrate them. Sign into both accounts in separate tabs before you begin. Prepare a GitHub repository or allow Leetcode to create one automatically. Enable two-factor authentication on GitHub if your account requires it. Decide whether you want public or private sync for your solutions. Confirm you have permission to install GitHub apps on any organization account you use. Open Leetcode settings and find the GitHub integration panel in Account Options. Click Authorize to install the Leetcode GitHub app into your account and grant permissions. Review requested scopes such as repo, workflow, and user email access. Choose the target repository from your account or create a new one for sync. Select the target repository and set public or private sync preferences for your code. Save the integration and note the webhook and token lines shown for troubleshooting later. Use the Leetcode CLI or browser export to push solutions to your repo once integration is active. Configure the CLI with your Leetcode credentials and set output format to include problem slug and language. Use automated commits that tag synced commits with problem ID and include language labels like Python 3. For each sync, check commit messages and file names for clarity and consistency. Regularly review the repository and remove sensitive data before syncing to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.